Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to my Facebook page Vijay Samarpit. Today is International Yoga Day, the biggest, longest day of the year. It is very energetic day, full of positive cosmic energy. The entire cosmos is working for you to make you successful. And today, for this first video, as an experiment, let me teach you a very important aspect beneficial for your life. You must have heard about the table. You memorized the table about 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. And it's nothing, it's actually 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. And when we speak it rapidly, we speak 2 1s are 2. Actually it is 2 1s are 2. And when it is spoken, it must have a written script. I have searched everywhere. I couldn't find a satisfactory answer. So many ways are there to explain, and the most suitable one based on my thinking is 2 1s are 2. This is the script. Remember, it means दो यदि एक बार बोला जाता है तो वो दो होता है, जो आप कहते हैं 2 1s are 2. This is ones, plural of one. This apostrophe is working for the plural of one. Plural of one, that is one only. 2 1s are 2. And this verb are is hereby standing for this complement of 2. This is complement in place of object. This R is working for 2. So similarly, 2 2s are 4. Plural of 2. Now we can write this ones and twos as ones or twos. 2 apostrophe s, that is twos, more than 1. So 2 twos, 2 ones. Accordingly, for every table it is applicable. Remember, from now onwards, what is this za? It is ones are, twos are, threes are. Now come to the table of 1. When 2 ones are 2, should we say 1 ones are 1? No. Because 1 ones are 1 when 1 is not plural, except 1. Every digit is plural. 2 is plural, 4 is plural, 6 is plural. 1 is not plural, so it is applicable. 1 ones is 1. As I said earlier, this verb is coming for this complement, so this is representing the complement 1. 2 ones is 1. Sorry, 1 ones is 1. And 1 twos are 2. So here, not 1 ones are 1, 1 ones is 1. Now come to the very important aspect about 0. We know how many times we count 0. It remains 0. 0 ones are 1, 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0, or 0 ones is 0, 0 twos is 0, 0 threes is 0. So the question is, 0 is singular or plural? 0 is singular or plural? This question I leave it to you. We'll ask about it. Write your comment about this short video as an experiment, because my future online class depends on this. Thank you. Have a good day.